Bonjour, bienvenue à learn French with Kavita. So in today's class we are going to learn numbers and I am going to tell you how to pronounce numbers from 0 to 10. Let's start. Okay, les nombres. First one is 0. So in French we call it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here see P is silent. So we don't call it as sept. We say it like set. Set. 8, 9, 10. Let's repeat it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you learned all the numbers from 0 to 10. And if you like this, like my class, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next class.